This is a washer we purchased from Home Depot. It's a GE washer. They were supposed to deliver one with an agitator, but they delivered this one instead. So here's the model number. There. It was an incorrect model number that Home Depot wrote down wrong. And when the delivery company delivered it, they installed it very quickly within 5 minutes and made us sign the paper before opening it up. Then we opened it up and discovered it did not have an agitator, and with further research we discovered there's 1 digit off on this model number. So we called service twice. They've come out here twice to repair it. One of the things they did was to put a new screw in the agitation plate down below, which this is the condition we found it in today. That plate came loose, flying up there. So it doesn't wash well at all at this point, though it never did wash. So we're looking at how the clothes gets underneath that plate and how it tears up the clothes and makes rags out of them. Do you want to add anything else?
No, this is a saga of this washing machine.
We had it about 2 months and it is not working well. And we still have another call in for repair. We've asked for replacement, but both GE and Home Depot are unwilling to replace. And the repair keeps giving us a different story on what to do and not really fixing it.
And this is how this plate is supposed to go back in there.
So we pull the clothes out to put the plate back in.
And the thing is so deep I can't reach it. Okay.
Okay. So the plate goes back in now.
The screw that they took out to repair, he broke it in the system. Never replaced it. But this is how it's supposed to go. It's supposed to be on here like this and screw into place. Well, it can't. It comes up. I can't reach it. There we go.
There we go. Sort of put back together. Anyway, that's part of our saga. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and let us know what you think. Thank you.